Hi, welcome to Queenie's Kitchen. Today I'll be teaching you how to make an avocado mango smoothie. The equipment that we'll be using today is the Vitamix, which is the best blender on the market. I've owned mine for 17 years. This is a new one here. We've owned this one for less than a year, but the one that we use at home we've had for 17 years, and we've only had one problem out of it for 17 years. So Vitamix is great because it has a powerful engine and it helps you to make your smoothies really, really quickly, and they're nice and smooth. So equipment is the Vitamix. We have some measuring spoons, and the ingredients that we'll be using today is coconut water. So this is fresh coconut water. We'll be using, of course, it wouldn't be an avocado smoothie without avocado. We'll also be using blueberries, yummy. And we also have kale. And for our sweetener today, we'll be using green stevia. We have 2 ice cubes. We have some protein powder, which I want to talk to you a little bit about this protein powder. It's called MetaDetox Complete. And what makes it so unique is that it is a complete multivitamin. It's comparable, if not superior, to most multivitamins that are on the market. And I have a difficult time like swallowing anything, especially supplements. So anytime I can put my supplement inside my smoothie, then that just, this is like one less supplement I have to consume. So we sell a ton of these at the clinic. It's 22 grams of protein, and it's awesome. This is vanilla, and it's like for people who don't really like that popping vanilla flavor. This right here is really very subtle. So to me, it's more like a natural or unflavored. But today we'll be using vanilla protein powder, and we also have flaxseed oil as well. So I'm going to get started here. So first thing we're going to do when you're making a smoothie is that you want to pour your liquid in first. And we're going to call it like our base. Next, we're going to put in our avocado. And we have actually 1 cup of blueberries. So, and we have 1 cup of kale. We have our ice cubes. We're gonna next add in half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I love cinnamon. It's just so healthy. It helps with blood sugar, keeping everything balanced. We're gonna next add in a half a teaspoon of green stevia. And lastly, next to last, we'll be adding our protein powder, which is 1 scoop. And we will add next, I'm making this for a patient, so I'm just going to add half a teaspoon of flax oil. And that's it. So now it's time to blend. So you want to make certain that when you put your blender, the top on, that it's nice and snug. Okay? That will prevent any type of overflows. So this right here snaps on really nice and tightly. With the Vitamix, you have a variable speed, and that's where you want to make certain before you turn this on that this little knob here is down in the variable speed, which is low. And then also it has a little knob here where you can turn, and you can also control the speed that way. You want to make certain that it's like in the number 1 place, which is the lowest speed. And then you have your on and off switch. So I'm going to turn it on now. And then I'm going to speed it up. done, you're going to take the top off. And we're going to pour it. Just got to pour it back in here. It's convenient. Then I'll pour it into a cup in a second for the patient. So here we are. We have a nice, yummy avocado blueberry smoothie.